will not do one where you have to do it multiple times and solve. I won't do that. If I do an integration by parts, it'll be one that just requires one single iteration. That make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. But E doesn't necessarily require multiple. Oh, if you have an E times a sign.
Yeah.
Yeah, like that. Then you have to, because the E just keeps staying E.
Yeah.
So you have to do a second time to get sign back, and then you solve.
And yeah, then you set equal to like I, and then.
Yeah, no, I won't do that. It'll be a single.
Okay.
Are we good?
Yeah, I still haven't looked at from 15 to 18, so I don't know what the hardest one out of all those are. I haven't looked at those.
So this one here, you solve one of these for t and substitute it into the other one, get an equation. And expressed in Cartesian coordinates.
Oh, we've been studying this.
So remember, x equals r cosine theta, y equals r sine theta. 4 is the r, negative 5 pi over 6 is the theta. So you just plug them into that and get these.
Oh, yeah.
Number 17, find the slope. So we have that slope formula, dy dx, I believe it is f prime of theta times sine theta plus f of theta, I'm already wrong. F prime of theta times cosine theta plus f of theta times sine theta over f prime of theta times, I think I said it wrong.
Oh, yeah.
Let me start over, I can do this. The numerator, f prime of theta times sine theta plus f of theta times cosine theta. That's the numerator. Denominator, f prime of theta times cosine theta minus f of theta times sine theta.
Yeah. Yeah. Yep.
That's what it is. I was working it out in my head as I did that. Because dy, y is r sine theta, so f of theta sine theta, I was doing the product rule. And then in the denominator, f of theta cosine theta, doing the product rule in there. And 18, the last problem.
Oh, those are fun.
So this one here, you know, similar question here.
Plug in something.
So if you put in 0 for theta, sine of 0 is 0, so when it's pointed to the positive x-axis, your view here, it's 0. So it can't be A, it could be B. At pi over 2, sine of pi over 2 is 1, so you have 15. It would have to be D.
Yeah.
Pi over 2, 15.
I agree.
Then to do the area, it's the integral of 1/2 times the function squared. So 1/2 times 15 sine theta all squared. And you have to figure out your balance. For that, it's going to be 0 to pi. Sine of 0 is 0, and then when you wrap around, sine of pi is 0. It doesn't go all the way to 2 pi, it's 0 to pi. All right. You guys have a wonderful weekend.